Baby girl, happy birthday unang-una sa lahat. Pangalawa, happy 10th year anniversary sa career mo in showbiz. You are so blessed. And alam ko kung bakit. Kasi napakabuti mong bata, napakaganda ng ugali mo, napakaganda ng puso mo, at napakagaling mong artista. At may kasabihan tayo sa buhay, marami tayong stages na pagdadaanan. At alam ko, after the first stage, which was your 10 years in showbiz, ngayon sa pangalawang stage mo, another 10, 20, 30 years, alam ko, you will be more blessed by our Lord. Kasi napakamapagmahal mo sa pamilya mo, sa mga kaibigan mo, at naisali mo pa nga ako doon. Kaya, I love you. I wish you all the best, and God's blessings be upon you more, and more. Happy birthday, congratulations, be happy, celebrate life. You deserve it. You have it all. I love you.